Welcome back. Now, quiet conditions persist through most of the Caribbean this evening with some scattered upper level clouds across sections of the east. We also have clouds developing across the Greater Antilles, but we don't have those thunderstorms that we are accustomed to seeing. Across the southern portion of the basin, winds are expected to weaken as you move closer to the Central America region, so we do have a buildup of clouds across the southern portion of the basin, but further towards the north and central areas, we do still have those strong 20-knot gusts carrying moisture right into the Gulf. Now, the forecast for tonight is for fair skies with low temperatures of 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. We expect those 5-knot winds on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, expect generally sunny conditions, especially across sections of western and central parishes. And then in the afternoon, there are some clouds expected to develop across inland areas, but we do have generally sunny conditions persisting across much of the area. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, partly cloudy conditions are likely in the afternoons tomorrow, Morant Bay through to Mandeville, and in the southwest, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, as well as Negril. We do have partly cloudy and windy conditions expected across most of the southwest and northwest as well. Windy conditions are expected in St. Anne's Bay as well as Ocherius, Port Maria and Port Antonio, while it's partly cloudy from Golden Spring through to Bogwalk, as well as Moco and Christiana. Further west in Grange as well, you can expect afternoon clouds, likewise for Duncan's, Cave Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon on Saturday. Isolated showers are expected, especially across western parishes Sunday and Monday. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. Easterlies are expected on the south coast at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then for offshore areas, 15 to 20 knot winds persist again tomorrow with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 10 after 6, 13 past 6 in Mandeville, 16 past 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.